What is up, everybody? In today's episode, we head to the junkyard and we get some parts that I'm going to need for the build for the E30. But before that gets started, I want to show you 3 new t-shirt designs that I'm adding to the channel, and it's going to go towards funding the K24 turbo swap in the E30. All that in today's episode. My name is Ryan. This is Project Race Car. Let's get into it. So if you guys can hear a little bit in my voice, I'm not feeling great. That's why I'm taking the day off of work. But I did get clips, and I went to the junkyard earlier this week, and so I was able to get the parts. So today we're going to clean them, as well as I'm going to show you the t-shirt designs. Like I said, all the money goes towards funding the Turbo K24 kit in the E30. So the first shirt I am wearing, and it is a picture of the E30 with Project Race Car up here, and these come in 2 different t-shirt designs, just a regular standard t-shirt and a premium. I've had a couple premium shirts in the past, and they are amazing. They're super soft and very, very nice. But this is one of the designs. And then the second design is the K24, Turbo K24 in the E30 engine bay. And I made all of these designs myself, and I'm very happy with how they turned out. And then the last design I changed a little bit. This is the t-shirt design, and I went ahead and added another logo that says Project Race Car down here. But you can see these are pictures of the E30. It looks very wrinkled. I'll add other pictures just in case, but these will be linked in the description down below. And again, it would help out a ton. Plus you guys could get some awesome t-shirt and represent the channel. But I appreciate you guys, and I hope you guys like the design. But let's get into the video. Here's a bit better of the look at the designs I personally like how all 3 of them came out. They look really, really cool, and I'm very, very proud of them. So there are a couple of parts that we need. One of them is going to be an RSX wiring harness, and that is used to do the K24 swap for a lot of vehicles. I'm not sure why they use the RSX wiring harness, but there has to be some reason. So I'm going to look for that. As well as an alternator for a K24 and like the pulley system. Most long blocks don't come with that, so I'm going to look for that, as well as I'm going to be looking at some Volvos for electric power steering for the E30. It's going to make the swap a lot easier. I won't have to worry about the power steering pump, but I'll still have power steering for the E30. But I will be back when we get to the junkyard. Okay, I just pulled up. It was about a 30-minute drive, so it's way out here. But I'm going to go in, bring my tool set, and we should get some parts. So I'm not leaving empty-handed because it's about a $2 entry fee, so I don't want those $2 or my time to go to waste. Okay, as you guys can see, my hair is a mess, but it was a pretty successful junkyard haul. I'll show you guys what I got when I get home, but I was able to get an alternator, a wiring harness, an RSX wiring harness, and then I was able to get a pulley for the TSX engine, which normally don't come with the engines. And finally, I was able to get a Volvo power steering pump. It's an electric power steering, so we are going to convert the E30 to an electric power steering pump, which should be better for the swap, and it should be really, really good. So that will be another project coming up, but I will show you the parts when I get home. So unfortunately there was only, my hands are just disgusting. There was only one RSX in the entire lot, and it was an automatic. But the wiring harnesses are going for like $300. So I went ahead and just pulled the automatic wiring harness. It looked in decent shape, and so I will be able to modify it to fit for the manual transmission, which should make it pretty easy. So I'll be able to modify that. That will save me a bit of money. And then with the other parts, I kind of just need to clean them. They are very dirty. So like I said, I got an alternator for a K24 because most of the time the engines don't come with an alternator. I got a electric power steering pump that we are going to be putting on the E30. You'll need to do this to keep power steering on your car if you do a K-swap or an LS or just any kind of swap. It's a lot easier to just move to electric power steering. I also got a K20 wiring harness. I don't know if that one is going to work, but we will see. And then also in here, I was able to get this pulley. So I'm going to clean all of this off, and I'm going to see if I can just do it with dish soap, like Dawn dish soap, and see what actually comes off. Okay, so I've just been adding soap to this thing and scrubbing it down with this little scrub brush. So now I'm just going to rinse it with water slowly and just keep adding that until it's clean. So this is looking a lot better. Don't let dirty parts make you think that they're bad parts. This was really dirty, but I know that it, will work. So it's nice and cheap. New alternators are upwards of $200, so we'll get one if this one fails, but yeah, not bad. But you can see that this is just like already cleaning up, so just taking a little bit of time and wiping this down is gonna do this actual wonders. Give it one more rinse off and another scrub down, and it looks really good. So I'm gonna do this with the pulley, and then it should be good to go. So I will add it to the part section and keep gathering parts. But I'm going to clean that other part. But I just wanted to show you guys that we're trying to go to the junkyard, finding cheap parts and good parts, and this build is gonna happen. But make sure to check out the t-shirts down below, and if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. And until next time, my name is Ryan, and this is Project Race Car. Have an amazing day. Peace.